So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Adobe installation error code 182 in your Creative Cloud. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues, so guys you just follow this video. If Adobe installation show error 182 happen when you set up and the path is too long, maybe package file is or mismatched or the folder name conflicts. To fix this, simplify. The first way is move your installer or the setup folder directly to your desktop or the root of C drive. Okay. Also, clean and reinstall via the Creative Cloud. So guys, first of all, you uninstall your Creative Cloud and or partially Adobe application remain from your system. Okay, now if you go to the official website, and guys, make sure when you download your application, so make sure it's bits. So if your Windows supported 32 bits, so make sure it is 32-bit version, and if you download the 64 bit, so make sure you are downloading the 64 bit. Okay, and guys, and guys, if you having the issue, so guys, make sure that you have the proper subscription. Sometime they when the subscription is expire, so it's creating such type of issues. So check the subscription you have. So simply go here, and guys, simply go for the manage account. Here you get all of these subscription related things. Okay, when your subscription is expire and how many days is left, that which of the application that you have the access. Okay, second thing is guys, space. So guys, make sure that you have the proper space in your system when you install any of the application of Adobe. Okay, so during the installation it take huge space. Like if you're installing any application in like Adobe Reader and your Adobe Photoshop, so it take around 3 to 5 GB space for completely running. Okay, completely and smoothly running. So make sure these all these things during the download. And guys, use the official website of the Adobe to download the applications. And guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.